Menteri Kesorkar Jela ubak Sosthenes Sotun. Ula penpaw ke jing Donkam ban penkloy no ke jing kren penbet uput usam hakawat ke baar ba ke jela asam ban penkloy no ya kikam ki jam kenang bagi padba ken yo no ban ban sa de ke besuk hakatan kaput. Uli tho bakla don ke jing kren ban penbet uput usam bat ladala ban penstet no ban pensyai no ya ke jing bam sngo tho ya man la ki nong shong shnong ki basa hakatan kaput. Ulong bagi padba ki basa akatan kapot ki kwa ban im da jing sok komta kamdan setia kanu kanu jing pendek na kanu kanu kaliang. La ban ong ba ha ka wat bar jeng je kren penbet pot kan long na benta ki hindril tuli ki jaka ki brang sa ateng ki bakentop ya katan langpi bordwar desh dumria block 12 siar kanduli bat nongwa mau tomur.
Now with the second phase of talk, so we have a discussion also with the in charge, the chairman of the regional committee, that if can speed up with this second phase so that it will clear the doubts of every citizens who are residing in the borders, because people who are residing in the borders and then they want to live in a peaceful and a peaceful way, so that there will be no disturbance from any side.
Ha kabay bagi jingja aksiden ka ha ka distrik riboy. Uba Sosthenes Sotun ulong ba umla ban batay lupa ke jingja aksiden. Dari katanat Pulit kala apat bande ke benta ke bakraw bente la kami kini jingja bat ban pa buat Pyrkhing gila jingeda kam tame ha ka ban pa deng ye ki helmet di ginongnya ki tok. Ula kentu yu superintendent ki Pulit bagi bor ki bapnyat kali bagi de ban Pyrkhing ba bat ban le ke betenge ginongnya ki arsyaka ha kaba kini ban but renti ki kendon peniat kali ban penti kena bakinnya ki kali da kijing shingan bat ban yat ki lenti lejong bat ban om penher step.
See, accident, we can say that yes, accident to accident, but the steps and measures that the police department to restrict, see, like many of the cases, we can see that accident happened to the bikers, the the scooty riders, and especially those people who are not using the helmet. So the police department has taken different measures to restrict, and I myself also, I'm requesting the superintendent of police, the in charge of traffic, to put a strict action to the bikers, to scooty riders, and to the drivers, so that they can, drive the vehicle in their own safety and in their own lane.
So what is your appeal to the people who are driving and for safe driving?
See, I myself, I used to always tell all my people, not only my people, and then to all the people who are riding the motorbikes or the scooties, that they should always wear helmet and they should control the speed.